Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my Boxycharm. I recently received it and I'm excited to show you what came on this month's box. Okay, so let's get started with the card. The theme for this month is vacation. And then as usual on the back it just tells you all of the items that are in your box and then how much they retail for. So let's go ahead and let's get to the goodies. I see this little coupon for Butter London for 25% off your next $50 purchase. Okay, so that's nice. Let's go ahead and start with this. So this is a Butter London. Oh, so it's a Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. I've actually never really tried anything from Butter London. Okay, so let me go ahead and open it up. And here it goes. Just a regular mascara. I'll try it out. Hopefully it works out for me because my lashes are almost non-existent and pretty stubborn. The retail price for this, according to the little card, it is $20. So that's $20. The next thing that I see here is from a brand called South Main, which I've never heard of. And these are 3 eye gel packs. It says they reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. So I'm gonna have to try those out. I'm just gonna use those on one of these days when I do my me time. And according to the card, that cost $10. So the next thing that I see here, it's a Pretty Vulgar blush, and I'm super excited for this because I never tried this brand. I know they sell it at Sephora, but I never tried it. And then I got the shade that looks more wearable because they had like a bright pink one, and I was hoping not to get that one and I didn't. So I'm really excited for this. And I love the packaging. It's gold and it's got some detail on the corners right here, some little beading going around. It's really pretty. And then these retails for $26. So the next thing that I see here is a 3-pack of brushes from the brand Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it's called the Smoky Eye Brush Set. It includes 3 eye brushes. The first one is called For the Money. The second one is For the Shadow, and Go Girl Go. So let's open them up. So they feel pretty soft. Cosmetic Company, and then they got the name on the back as well. For the Money, For the Shadow, Go Girl Go. So that's that, and these retail for $23.15. So for this one, I'm really excited because I know it's a collaboration with Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics. I've seen it all over Instagram, so I already know what it looks like, but I have not swatched it. So let me go ahead and open it up. And here it is. The colors are so beautiful. I mean, look at how this black one is shining, and look at how metallic this ones look. And then this section right here, that's my type of colors. So let's go ahead and swatch them. Here goes some of the colors. I really like the blue one and the gold one, that pink one. I mean, I love them all. They did a really good job. So the price on the palette, it says it is $36. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.